Future upcoming technologies. Here's the top 3 list. Number 1, self-driving trucks. We have almost got used to the idea of driverless cars before we have even seen one on the roads. The truth is, you might well see a lot more driverless trucks. After all, logistics make the world go round. They will be cheaper to run than regular rigs, driving more smoothly and so using less fuel. Companies like Mercedes and Peloton are already exploring these possibilities, but many companies have said the truck will still need a human passenger to ensure their cargo is safe. Number 2. Heart monitoring t-shirt. Wearable sports bands that measure your heart rates are nothing new, but as numerous studies have shown, the accuracy can vary widely. And accuracy is everything. Using a single LED ECG printed into the fabric, this new t-shirt from smart material company Chimera will accurately measure heartbeat and upload them to the cloud via Bluetooth. Number 3. Internet for everyone. We can't seem to live without the internet, but still only around half the world's population is connected. There are many reasons for this, including economic and social reasons. But for some, the internet just is not accessible because they have no connection. Google is slowly trying to solve the problem using helium balloon to beam the internet to inaccessible areas. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.